So once you have installed Python on your computer, you have to check that how can you run the Python files on your computer. So you must know that how can you run the programs from outside the development environment. So in most of the cases, you will be going to use some programming tools or programming editors like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. So you must know that how can you run the Python files without these tools. For that, I am giving you some files, some exercise files, and you can download them from the link below in the description of this video. And these are the exercise files, and you can play with these files, and you can download these files and run on your own computer. So you have to open your terminal or command prompt if you are using Windows. So if I open command prompt for in the Windows, I have downloaded my exercise files on desktop. I have to go to desktop here, and after desktop I have to go to the exercise files, and there are some chapters in this folder: chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 5, and these are some exercise files you need to you need for the practice. And in this folder I am going to chapter 2 here, and if I check the files here, you can see there are multiple files for the demo of different concepts of the Python. And if you want to run any of these files in your command prompt, then you have to write Python and the name of the file you want to run here. So for example, I want to run hello world.finished underscore finish.py. So if I hit enter, you can see that the program is running now. And hello world, what is your name? So the program is asking for your name. So if I provide my name here, it will be giving an output which is nice to meet you, and then it is my name. So this is just an example that how can you run the Python programs or Python files outside the development environment. So this is important. Once you have an idea that how can you run the files without an IDE. So that's it from this video. Let's meet in the next video.